nche ankoro kwa David Ondi Mukombo umanyene skuru ya Elimu. Elimu ea chakiri tirogura sotik in the year 1991. The first baliba swete Kcpe in Tangani was 1995. Our candidates did very well that year. We had 2 of them going to National Schools Alliance na Mangu. Since then, yasa otokonyire to produce good students. They have gone to national schools. You can see a number of them are here with me. They have performed very well. We had 7, Babuate, over 400 marks. A class A carrying 90. Now there are very few private schools that offer 90 as candidates. Private schools would rather prefer kubeka abana abake egere bakore biya. We said tuyakero mwana kora matemwa. We allowed every child, and they can testify. Muna with 7 bonds p ba chete 8. Ba korire biya ba etire umutangani abwate 406. Obo mweri abwate 323. Abana batatu boka na babwate below 350. Batatu out of 90. And 350 and above is a mark that can take you places. Ne mark irako ile anywhere utaitokogenda. So we are very proud of them. It was a very good class, and they really worked hard, I tell you. Especially from second term and third term. This was a class that worked very, very hard. Teachers worked very hard. Parents cooperated and worked very hard. And that's why we have that success. Elimu is a school that is always been performing. The mean score is beyond 380. Now, a mean score of 380 and above, to me, is a very, very good mean score. Sub 90 to our Korea. This time, I would say girls did basically better than the boys. The boy child ntuegase kurumaiga ntugutigara maiga ntuegase ngosabera abana abana baitire buyaika bonse bakwenda good schools, and I'm telling you good schools. Abakwenda school chingiya babwatie bina barenga igobo Kristo babwatetie school egere Sabbath school ya KISII SDS Central Church basoe ekanisa. CBC is a very good noble thing. Tiamba CBC is a noble thing na eine konya bana kumanya ekibogwente kumanya kurunze. So it's a wonderful thing. Everybody let us embrace it. Teibwa tisikabisa egere ekonya bana baitu.
So my name is Ivy Onyango. I scored 406 in this examination. The examination was a bit challenging, but due to God, we passed. But because of God, He enabled us to be where we are. I would like to thank my parents, the teachers, the management for helping us due to this period which we have been in class 8. Not only class 8, but since we started school. The exam, usually they say that hard work pays, but also hard work without play makes Jack a dull boy. So this period we have been working hard, but we have been also given time to relax so that we may be able to pass this examination. I was just expecting 400 and above. My dream school is Kenya High.
Kwa majina naitwa John Onyango. Mimi ndio papake Ivy. So mimi nimefurahia kama mzazi na nashukuru Mungu. Management ya shule, walimu wametia bidii sana. So mimi naimiza wazazi waleta watoto hapa. Hii shule ni mzuri na nimefurahia sana. I'm very happy. Nilikuwa na participate anything ile wanaambiwa as a talent on time, na lazima nilikuwa najitoa kumsaidia ndio naye afanikiwe kwa mtihani yake. Kwa mpole, she works hard, ako busy kwa mambo yake. Sio ile unasukuma, anapenda tu kazi yake without supervision.